morning children, how are you? Fine, very good. What is our second lesson? Yes, our second lesson was rain and rivers. Rain and rivers. We have seen how the rains were caused and how the rivers are formed. That we have seen that the rain water which falls on the earth's surface will be happen in three ways. One water, it will be going to percolate. It is going to be percolated into the ground. One water flows onto the ground, flows on the ground. One water will become into water vapor and mix in the air. Mix in the air. That we have seen. And we have seen the water which flows on the surface of the earth is formed into the rivers. Is formed into the rivers. Yes or no? And not only that, this flow of water which is flowing on the ground also formed into the tanks. Not only rivers, they are formed into the tanks. Tanks are nothing but cheruvulu. In Telugu it is cheruvulu. So today our third lesson, very easy lesson and important lesson we are learning, that is tanks. That is tanks and groundwater. That is the water which is percolated into the ground. It is called as groundwater. So what is our third lesson? Tanks and groundwater. What is our third lesson, ma? Tanks and groundwater. So this lesson we are going to learn today. What is our lesson? Tanks and groundwater. Okay, ma? Yes. Tanks also called as cheruvulu. What I said? Tanks also called as cheruvulu. Tanks also called as cheruvulu. Yes, we in our area, in our Mirpet area, we had the cheruvula. Yes, Jalalgura Cheruvu, it is there or not? Yes, it is there. Yes, tanks also called as cheruvulu. Okay, yes, thousands of years, if you see, our ancestors have tried to utilize the rainwater by building the tanks. Our ancestors used the rainwater, not to waste. They built the tanks and they saved the water. Any evidence is there? Yes, evidence is there. How? Megalithic time. At the megalithic time only they built the tanks. At the megalithic times only they built the tanks and used for irrigating the agriculture land. Irrigating which land? Agriculture land. By using the agriculture land. Not only that, not only megalithic time, we can see at the Kakatiya times also. At the time of Kakatiyas also. At the time of Kakatiya kings also built a large number of tanks in Telangana. Kakatiya kings also built many number of tanks in Telangana region. In Telangana, they built many tanks. This enabled the extension of agriculture into many areas. To this day also, you can see the Kakatiya kings built up the tanks. No? To this time also, you can see them. Okay, now how the tanks built? How the tanks were built? Yes, tanks were usually built by building a strong wall of stones. Tanks were built by building a strong walls of stones and mud across a small stream in such a way that with the wall on just one side, a large lake could be formed. I will show you the picture. You can see the picture. Yes, ma'am. This is how the tanks built. Large walls, one stream. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Like this, they built the tanks. And mostly these tanks are useful for doing the agriculture, for irrigating the agricultural land. Okay, ma'am. Like this, they were built. Okay, ma'am. Like this, they were built. But now, if you see, who built them? Many kings built them. Already we said no. Megalithics built, Kakatiya kings built. Not only them, military leaders, Nayaks and village people also contributed so much money for building the tanks. Yes. And now, how can we know that they built? Yes, how can we ensure that how they were built? Yes, now also those who built these tanks, on their names temples were there, yes, stories were there, and on the festivals times also they are going to say their names who built these tanks. Yes, in building the tanks, everyone in the village will contribute toward the expense and labor also. And all the village people that time they took the responsibility of maintaining the tanks. Yes, how they took the responsibility, how they maintained the tanks by repairing the tank wall, by repairing the tank wall, by repairing the tank wall. Yes, sir, the tank wall, the wall, repairing tank wall. Yes, it will be sometimes can be broken by repairing that. Not only that, no one stopped by removing the silt, by removing the silt also, by removing silt. By removing silt. Not only that, everyone ensured that no one stopped the water flow from into the tank. Water will flow into the tank. No one will be stopped. That also they have seen. Not only that, they appointed a person also. They appointed a person also. Appointed a person to look after these tanks. He is called as Nirati. He is called as Nirati. The person who is going to look after. Nowadays also if you see a person will come and open the water for our colony or not. If that person will come and open the water, then everyone will get the water. Like that only in that time also they used to appoint a person who is going to look after the tank. He is called as Nirati. Otherwise he is called as Neeru Katte Manshi. He is called as Neeru Katte Manshi. Neeru Katte Manshi. Okay ma? Like this they used to maintain, like this they built the tank and maintain the tank. Next, how the tanks are helpful to us. Yes, very easy. How they are helpful to us. Nowadays we are not using, but at that time the tanks are very useful to us. The tanks are very useful to them. How? They used to get the water for drinking. They used to get the water, drinking water for animals and for the humans also. Drinking water. Not only for that, for irrigation also, for irrigation the agriculture lands, for irrigating the agriculture lands. And now you see, summer season you won't get the water, but this tank water is going to help them to raise some crop, also. Like that, the tanks are helpful. Not only that, now the tank was dried up. The tank is dried up. Then burned the area will be there, the bed, the area will be there. Here also they used to grow the crops. Here also they used to grow the crops. Like that, tanks are very, very useful. But mainly important use of the tank is that to prevent rainwater. Yes, sir, rainwater should not be wasted. So to prevent the rainwater, runoff rainwater and erosion of top soil. These things to prevent runoff rainwater and prevent erosion, soil erosion. Soil erosion also, it is very, very useful on these tanks. Okay ma, this one. And now if you see, every people would collect tank, silt and use it in the fields to fertilize the soil like this. So many uses are there of the tanks. There are so many uses are there of the tanks. And main thing you have to remember that now in our house we are having the tap. As a taps we are having, that is used for our family members only, for our own family members only. But what about these tanks? These tanks are not for one person. It is not for one person. It is for whole village. It is for whole village. All villages are going to use the tank water. Okay now? Yes. Now if you see here, nowadays there is a decline of the tanks. What is there? There is a decline. Anybody who are using the tanks now, you have seen Jilaguru Cheku. Anybody is using that? Yes. Who are using? Those are washing the clothes. They only use it. But nobody is using it. So decline, not using. Decline means not using. Decline of the tanks is there. Decline of the tanks is there. Because of that, our KCR government, our Telangana government, what they have done? What they have done? They have made Mission Bhagirath, Mission Kakatiya. Mission Kakatiya they made or not? What do you mean by Mission Kakatiya? We learn in next class. But we are going to see now decline of tanks. Now decline of tanks we are going to see. Yes, last 20 to 30 years what happened? We have been neglecting and have been allowed to break down of the tanks. Yes, repairs to the tank, desilting etc. have not been done regularly. People also have gradually taken over the tank, and what they are doing on this tank, they are building the buildings, they are started building the houses. Not only that, they are doing the agriculture also. As a result, what happened? Almost every part of the state, we can see the sad situation of the tanks. Instead of carrying the tanks, what we are doing? We are digging the tube wells. We are digging tube wells, bore wells. We are digging bore wells. Yes or no? We are digging every house. If you see, yes, he had the bore well. I will also have the bore well. But we are not using the tanks. What we are using? We are using the bore wells, which are very costlier also, which are very more cost it will take. Then also what we are doing? We are using the bore wells. But these bore wells, sorry, used for only one family. When we come to the tanks, it is used for whole village. But that we are not taking. We are uncared of it. Yes. And what we are doing? Benefited only few. In a long depleted the water resources also, because of the borewells. What is happening? The groundwater is depleted. Yes, decreased. The groundwater is decreased. But if you have the tanks, what will happen? The rainwater is stored in the tanks and the groundwater level also will be increased. It is not decreased. So tanks are very useful, ma. So try to use the tank for water only. With this, we have completed our tanks. But one project is there for you. One project is very good project is there. Nothing but prepare a report with the following details about the tank in your village or town. What is that? Prepare a report with the following details about the tank in your village or town. All this he has given. Follow them and do it very easy. About the cheruvu you have to write. About a tank you have to write. Who built it? Yes, how the water is coming to it. All that you can write down now. Okay, children? Yes. Have a nice day. Do this project. Thank you. Okay.